Welcome to Us Bike Pro. Today's video is all about the legendary 2026 Yamaha RX 100, a motorcycle that carries strong emotions, raw performance memories, and a cult following. Yamaha is expected to revive this iconic name with a modern touch while keeping its classic soul alive. Classic design with modern touch. The 2026 Yamaha RX 100 is expected to stay true to its original minimalist design. A round headlamp, slim fuel tank, flat seat, and lightweight body define its retro charm. At the same time, modern elements like LED lighting, updated paint schemes, and premium finishes may give it a fresh and stylish presence on today's roads. Engine and performance expectations. Unlike the old two-stroke engine, the new RX 100 is expected to come with a four-stroke, fuel-injected engine to meet modern emission norms. Yamaha may tune the engine for quick throttle response, strong mid-range performance, and smooth city riding, while still delivering the punch that RX fans love. Ride quality and handling. The lightweight frame of the Yamaha RX 100 has always been its biggest strength. For 2026, improved suspension, better braking with disc options, and refined chassis balance are expected. This will make the bike easy to handle, agile in traffic, and fun on open roads. Features and safety. The 2026 RX 100 may include basic modern features such as a digital or semi-digital instrument cluster, improved braking system, and better tires. Yamaha is likely to focus on simplicity rather than overload the bike with unnecessary electronics. Expected launch and final thoughts. The 2026 Yamaha RX 100 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a comeback of an era. If Yamaha gets the balance right between nostalgia and modern performance, this bike could once again rule the hearts of riders. Stay connected with Us Bike Pro for more updates on legendary bikes and upcoming launches.